while ago it was lightning one strike after another. Now it's slowed down. I can't get nothing hardly. It's kind of weird because earlier it looked like the lightning was striking all in several places and several times in the same place. Some of them were really close. Slowed way down now. This is our first good lightning thunderstorm of the season, though. After 9 long-ass years of winter. I think this is May the 8th. Maybe the 7th. No, I was way off. It's May 9th. All right, not way off one day, but whatever. Anyways, nice thunderstorm, first one of the year.